So can you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing for free? Find out next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about learning affiliate marketing. Now, only reason I'm doing this video because I get a lot of questions, people asking me like, yo, I want to get into affiliate marketing. Really, I want to make money online, but I don't have any money. Like, what can I do free? And then I do get, well, I want to do affiliate marketing, but how do I learn how to do it for free? How do I do it for free? First of all, is it possible? Absolutely. To be honest with you, if you want to learn anything, you can really learn it for free. You know what I mean? You just have to research it. Like, one thing that I learned, let me move my camera. One thing that I learned, there's nothing out there that you can't really learn yourself if you're willing to do some digging around, a lot of research. A lot of times when you get involved with a course or buy a how-to course, right, what you're essentially buying is organization, right? You're buying saving yourself time, because everything should be in one place, and all the information that you need to be successful should be in one location, right? That's what you're really getting. There's nothing that when you buy like a how-to thing, nothing in those courses isn't anything that you couldn't have found yourself if you were willing to like learn and research and this and that. Granted, some people in courses they create, they share their experiences, and they share maybe what not to do, and that can be beneficial. But far as like learning something, there's nothing out there that you can't learn. But are there free resources that you can use to start making money with affiliate marketing? Yes. YouTube is a perfect place. Now, when you search affiliate marketing, obviously you're going to get thousands of videos and everything, and some are going to be good, some are going to be bad. But you got to kind of decide a little bit, what's good and what's bad. If you want more of a centralized platform to learn, I talked about this before, the Wealthy Affiliate. That is, they have two different levels. One is absolutely free to get started, and then they do have a paid version. I said virgin, oh my god, paid version, or virgin, I don't know, maybe it is, I don't know, but they have a paid version that you can upgrade to if you want. All right, but the free version, I gotta watch what I'm saying, the free version of the Wealthy Affiliate, it will give you the basics of affiliate marketing. But obviously, once you get familiar with it, even the Wealthy Affiliate, they want you to kind of upgrade, and then it unlocks more tools or whatever. But the gimmick behind that is they're like, okay, you should be able to start making money with this free stuff just a little bit. Once you start making money, why don't you go ahead and upgrade? So that's the kind of philosophy with that. But it is decent training if you're new to affiliate marketing and you kind of don't want to search all day on YouTube. Check out the Wealthy Affiliate. All right, link in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Like I said, you can sign up with them absolutely free, right? So if you're watching this video and you're like, okay, I really want to, it's free, straight up. But and then another thing though, which is cool, that if you get into a lot of affiliate programs, or you find certain products, right? And this could be in many different niches, whatever. A lot of programs, they offer free training, right, for that product, but you can use that training across different, niches. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, and you get with a certain product, they'll give you tons of training because they want you to sell a lot of that product. So they hold nothing back when it comes to affiliate marketing strategies. So if you're not in the weight loss niche, okay, take that, use that strategy in the whatever niche that you're in. the relationship niche. Take the same stuff you learned from the weight loss, use those strategies in the relationship niche or whatever you're doing, right? That's another way that you can learn affiliate marketing for free. All right. So that's it, guys. There you have it. All right. Hopefully you like this video. Leave some comments, some feedbacks. Let me know what you think. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. All right. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because you see I'm dropping that content. All right. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.